Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to the new video, and in this video we will also learn the conditional formatting, format as table, and cell styles, and so on, insert, delete, format. So let's start. This conditional formatting, what does it mean? The conditional formatting means easily spot trends and patterns in your data using bars, colors, and icons to visually highlight important values. If you want to learn more, and then you can also click here, tell me more. Okay. And format as table means format as table quickly convert a range of cells to a table with its own style. Then there is cell styles. Cell styles, a colorful style is a great way to make important data stand out on the sheet. So these three uh, options we have already know the introduction. Now let's try the options. Let's see, I just select the data. I want to select this sales amount. Then I go conditional formatting. There are various types. I want to highlight the cells by rules. Let's say I want to select the cells which are greater than 1000, and I want to give the color to those cells as green. So you can see that all the cells which have amount more than 1000 become green. If I want to change the color, I can give the color differently, or I have the other option that I can define the multiple steps also on the base of amounts. Okay, so the other is one, if I want to select or highlight the amounts which are less than, I will define here less than. If I just as a sample I put less than 5000, you can see all the cells which have values less than 5000 are highlighted in my required or in my desired color, which I just select here in my selected color. Okay, so then there is, you can select between option also. Let's say I select between 1000 to 5000, then I can also change the color, so it will highlight all those amounts or figures which are in between the criteria that I have used. Then there is option equal to, if I want to find equal to 1000, 2000, 3000, or any text that contains any particular amount, like I just put any number or any text, any data that includes 800 or 8, sorry, that contains 8, it will appear here as highlighted, and uh, I can change the color as per my requirement. Then there is a data occurring. There you can see, if there is the other filter like date and others, you can use this option about a data occurring today, yesterday, tomorrow, and so on. There is also options, various options you have. Duplicate values. If you click duplicate values on the selected data, in the selected data you will be able to see the duplicate values. Then you can see if you are using different tools to find the difference, then here you can find the duplicate values and you can take action accordingly. There are more other rules that we can define as per our requirements, and we can add also this you can see the lowest values, highest values, and so on. So when you will use this one, you will be able to be more practical with these rules. Top bottom rules. If I want to select top 10 items, I will select click here top 10 items. You can see that it highlighted top 10 items. If I want to highlight top 10 percentage, like in the total contribution, top 10 percentages of these amounts, then it highlighted these two fields. Then I see bottom 10 items. If value wise there are bottom 10 items, it will select from the range of cells you have selected or data, then above average. Automatically it will see the average which are above average. It will select those values as above average and will highlight to you. If below average, it will also show the below average values. And there are also more rules that you can see. Format as all cells based on the values, and you can make customized requirements as per your analysis, your requirements. You can define accordingly. Then the option is data bars. If you want to see data bars by values, you can just select the data and you can just go which color. There are two types of fills, gradient fill or solid fill. So it's up to you which option you want to show to the values, and with these values it will show you accordingly. And there is also more rules you can define as per your requirement. There is another option, color scales. If you want to differentiate by colors, then you will see here green, yellow, red colors. Apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within that range. So all these color scheme you can use for your data presentation or reporting purpose. Icon sets. You can see three arrows colored. Choose a set of icons to represent the value in the selected cells. There are also different options. Uh, three arrow gray option, and there are different options as per requirement. Five arrow colored. Then there are shapes. There are as per signals. Choose set of icons to represent the values in the selected cells. And there are also these five rating. Choose a set of icons to represent the value in the selected cells. There are 4 rating and there are 3 rating, many rating options. It will appear accordingly. For the visual analyzation to representation, you can make it, or you can define any new rules if you want to. You can define as per your requirement the additional rules also. Or if you want to, if you have already applied the clear rules, you can clear rules from the selected cells or from the entire sheet, so it will work for you. That's it for now. We'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.